How to reset ClipperCard account password. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you reset your ClipperCard account password. So in order to reset your ClipperCard account password, you can follow these steps. First of all, you have to access the ClipperCard website. Visit the official ClipperCard website, which is clippercard.com, and hit enter in your URL box. Find the login page on the website and there should be an option to sign in or login, usually located at the top right corner of the website. Then you have to simply select the Forgot Your Password option. Below the login form, you'll typically find an option that says Forgot Your Password or something similar. Click on the link. Then you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your ClipperCard account. Make sure to enter the correct email address. And after entering your email address, submit the request, and this will trigger an email to be sent to the provided address with the instructions on how to reset your password. Open your email box associated with the ClipperCard account. Look for an email from the ClipperCard with the subject line related to the resetting your password. This email should contain a link or instructions to reset your password. Then after, follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password. This typically involves clicking on a link provided in the email or following a series of steps on the ClipperCard website. Once you have clicked on the link or followed the instructions, you'll be directed to a page where you can set a new password for the ClipperCard account. Enter your new password and confirm it. After successfully setting your new password, you should be able to log into your ClipperCard account using your email address and the new password. If you don't receive the password reset email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder in case it was filtered there. Make sure to create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for the security purposes. If you encounter any issues during the password reset process, you can contact ClipperCard customer support for the assistance. So this is basically all about how to reset the ClipperCard account password. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.